Hello and welcome. Welcome. I'm going to do something that may not be the bestest thing in the world to do, but I'm going to do it. This PET, which I got not that long ago, unfortunately, it had where the monitor would shut off and such, but I don't think that was anything to do with what's going on. Just recently, I was getting ready. I was going to do a whole bunch of disk drive testing. When I had this turned on, I had it connected through the PET companion to another monitor. Yada, yada, yada. Everything was good. Everything was fine. Everything was dandy. And I started to hear this horrible buzzing from inside the monitor. And yes, I did see some smoke. And I thought, that is not good. It's really not good. So, excuse me, I have unplugged everything. I gotta see if I can get this back in. Once again, don't touch anything. There could be voltage in here. Now, from what I remember seeing, the smoke was coming from the right side of the monitor, from what I could tell. So what I've done now, I've set up two cameras. Let's see if this is going to do this. Okay, there we go. That is, okay, I don't want that quite yet. That was just a quick flash. Now, I'm assuming, as I am not a monitor person, that this is going to be pretty much toast. So there. Oh, you know what I should do? In the midst of this. There, okay, I've got things set up on this other power bar over here. So I should be able to remotely turn on the PET. Now the main board is disconnected. The only thing that will be connected is the power to the monitor. So, if you are brave, and I am brave, I'm tempted, quite tempted, to zoom in on the flyback transformer. I am tempted. It is time. The bell tolls. So, this is going to buzz, and something might happen. I have a fire extinguisher handy just in case. I'm going to hit the button on the power bar. And here we go. What is buzzing? So, I will have to consult with Rudy's Retro Intel, and see what he thinks that is. Oh, and Rudy is calling right now. Just a second.